Hi there. Are you a business owner wondering whether now that January 1, 2024 has come and gone, you are going to have to comply with the Corporate Transparency Act? My name's Katherine Taylor, and I'm the lawyer for business owners. In this video, I'm going to let you know the three groups of people that are required to comply with the Corporate Transparency Act. In a prior video, I explained what the Corporate Transparency Act is. So if you want to go back to that video to look at what the Corporate Transparency Act is all about, please do, and then come back to this one to find out whether you are going to have to comply or not. So there are generally three groups of people or entities that are required to comply with the Corporate Transparency Act, which is a federal law that went into existence yesterday, actually, when it became effective yesterday, January 1st, 2024. Those three groups are as follows. The first group is a reporting company. A reporting company is essentially any small business already formed or to be formed in the United States. There are estimated to be millions of companies that will be required to comply with the Corporate Transparency Act. And if you own a small business, you're probably going to have to comply. Secondly, the second group of people are called beneficial owners. So any person that is considered to be a beneficial owner of a small company that is a reporting company is going to have to provide their information to the reporting company so that the reporting company can report that information to FinCEN. As I explained in the prior video, FinCEN is the government agency. It is a branch of the Treasury Department that is going to be enforcing the Corporate Transparency Act. The third group of people is called a company applicant. A company applicant is any person who actually files or registers the information, usually online, with any state to form an entity. And a company applicant not only includes the person who inputs that information into the state Secretary of State database, but any person who controls or directs that person entering that information. Each of those people will have to report certain information to FinCEN. The type of information required and the timing of that filing is going to depend on several factors, which I won't get into in this video. But those factors include when the entity was actually formed. Following this video, I'm going to provide three separate videos, one for reporting company, one for beneficial owner, one for company applicant, so that if you fall within one of those categories, or you might fall within one or more of those categories, you can review those videos to determine whether you're going to have to comply, whether you are going to have to get information from someone else, and when you're going to have to comply. In addition, I've got a couple of resources for you. The first, if you go to the comments below, is a summary that we prepared that we hope synthesizes and simplifies the entire Corporate Transparency Act. The second is a link to FinCEN's Small Business Guide. The third is a link to FinCEN's website where you can register for updates. And the fourth is a website of a law firm with whom I collaborate that is in the process of creating an entire resource for small businesses to comply with the Corporate Transparency Act. So go below, look at the links, download what you need, and then watch my further videos to determine more specifics about when and how you should comply with the Corporate Transparency Act. Thank you.